So let me sum up a little bit about where it stands today, and what I'm going to teach you today is going to be obsolete when DSM-5 come out, assuming that they go with what they are talking about going with. And this is Ami Klin's work out of 2000, and also based on a paper that I published. Autism is interest in objects, no desire for social relations, impaired language, and nonverbal skills. And that comes out of Ami Klin's work from 2000. Asperger's syndrome, restricted or repetitive interests, interested in social relations, adequate to superior language, and poor nonverbal skills. That tends to be the distinguishing factor. Nonverbal learning disability, interested in social relationships but unable to participate because of social skills deficit that may or may not be related to certain cognitive skills. If you read Dr. Klin's Ami's literature from 2000 and Byron Rourke, they published together at one point in 2000, back when they were both at Yale at the same time I got to be there, and they said all kids with Asperger's syndrome had nonverbal learning disability. I think Ami's probably moved away from that a little bit, but you haven't seen much research in NVLD lately, mainly because the seminal research in NVLD was published using the prior form of the WISC-R. And the new WISC, people just aren't finding that on the VCI and PCI, the same sorts of splits. So it's sort of fallen into, I think, a state of quiet. It's there. And as the new DSM-5 come out and they collapse some of these characteristics in social communication, I think you're going to see many more of those kids put into the autism spectrum. Does that clarify it for folks?